A YouTuber tested the Galaxy S25 Edge's durability, proving its titanium frame withstands extreme pressure. Samsung announced its thinnest phone earlier this year, and the device gathered a lot of attention from the tech community. While it is essentially a replica of the Galaxy S25 Plus in terms of what it offers on paper, the sleek design is where it shines. The device is only 5.8mm thick, which means that the company compromised on the battery life and an additional camera sensor. However, what worries users the most is whether it will bend under pressure, and a new test shows if you should get the Galaxy S25 Edge considering its durability. YouTuber JerryRigEverything conducted a detailed durability and bend test of the Galaxy S25 Edge to see if the device can bear the daily struggles. It appears that the Galaxy S25 Edge survived the bend test with flying colors, as it remains perfectly intact and in working condition. We will break down the durability test in detail. Before conducting the bend test, Zach from JerryRigEverything also performed his popular scratch assessment, judging if the display of the Galaxy S25 Edge is as good as the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Much like most other smartphones that Zach tested, the S25 Edge scratched at level 6 with deeper grooves at level 7. The YouTuber went on to light the phone on fire with his trusted lighter, and it can be seen that the display withstood the heat and remained in perfect condition. Lastly, the bend test is where things get interesting, and the results are quite surprising. Before the Galaxy S25 Edge was announced, it was speculated that the thinner design would compromise the structural integrity of the device, but it appears that Samsung pulled it off with its titanium chassis. Zach applied maximum force, which gave the device a minor flex on one side, and on the other side the back panel was raised slightly. While this can compromise the water-resisting abilities of the handset, there was no structural damage. The YouTuber went on to say that the results were quite surprising and that users should not worry about bending the phone even under intense pressure. This raises the question of whether Apple would be able to pull off the same structural durability. Apple's iPhone 17 Air is expected to be a bit thinner than the Galaxy S25 Edge, with a 5.5mm chassis, which could make it slightly less durable, but it remains to be seen how the Cupertino giant handles this aspect. I am very impressed with the build quality. It definitely feels like a premium build while holding in the hand, and overall so far we have been very pleased with our in-house unit we are testing. Please stay tuned for our full review of the device coming soon. Thank you for your time, we appreciate it greatly. Until next time, my name is Zambia. Bye now.